How to fix Instagram limit problem easily and fast. Hello guys, so first thing, open the settings and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps, it will take you directly into this page. So all what you want to do next is wait a few seconds. It will start loading the apps like this, and then scroll until you find Instagram, and then click on this force stop option and go to the storage. Click on this clear data option to clear all the data in the app, and then click on clear cache. Now you have to click on this power usage details and then go to the app launch and make sure that those options are enabled. Click OK and then go back again and click on the permissions here. Make sure that all the permissions are enabled. Go back to the settings on your phone and then go to the wireless and networks. Go to the Wi-Fi, disable it for 5 seconds and then enable it again. And now open the Play Store and search for Instagram, and then click on this update option that you see right here to get the latest version. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you for watching this video.